Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to the post-market report dated 28th March 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market, after 3 days of losing streak, yesterday the US markets were traded in green. Dow up significantly to 1.22%. It's up by around 477 points. S&P up by 0.86% and Nasdaq up by 0.51%. Stock specific, Intel stock up by 4%, AMD stock up by 1% and Nvidia stock down by 2.5%. Other stocks were more or less traded flat, maybe less than 1% down or less than 1% up. If you look at Intel stock up by around 4%, that is mainly because the next generation processor Intel is planning to ramp up. Because of this news, the Intel stock was up by around 4%, and the rise in tension and tech-centered power struggle between China and the USA that has caused some negativity among the AI stocks. So most of the AI stocks were trading negative yesterday. That is mainly because that tech-centered power challenge between China and the Western countries, because of which the AI stocks were down yesterday. Amazon earlier spent around 1.25 billion in a AI startup company called Anthropic, and yesterday they said they are again planning to add another 2.7 billion as investment in the AI startup stock Anthropic. They call it, Amazon calling it a new technology revolution to stay ahead in the AI space. Swedish retailer H&M posted better than expected results, hence the stock up by around 15%. Swedish, the inflation rate is around 3.2%, which is in line with the expectation. And French consumer confidence index is also high. So this helps for the European Central Bank to consider for a rate cut. So these are all the updates from the US and the Europe market. Coming back to the Indian market, so what a fantastic rally today for the Indian market. As expected, Indian market opened gap up, and the gap up sustained and it gradually increased. The market was up by till 3 p.m. the market gradually increased. At 3 p.m. the market was almost close to all-time high. All-time high was 22,526, but today Nifty touched 22,516. But after 3 p.m. there was a profit booking, and it's a weekend as well as and year end as well as financial year 23-24. I think because of which there is some profit booking, and Nifty gave up around 200 points. At one point in time, Nifty was up about 400 points. Finally, in the last 30 minutes, it gave up 200 points and ended at 22,326, and up by around 203 points. Bank Nifty also at one point in time it was trading up 650 points. Then after 3 p.m. it slowly Bank Nifty also went down. It lost around 300 points, and overall it's up around 338 points and ended at 47,124. However, Bank Nifty crossed the crucial mark of 47,000. Technically now it is in the bull side, but let us wait and see whether it further moves up next week. In the financial year 23 and 24, if you look at Nifty up by 30%. After 2010, this is the first time Nifty gave over 30% return, and only two stocks ended negative in the year 23-24, HUL and HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, we know the reason, right? After the last quarter results, HDFC Bank has the challenge, and probably a lot of selling, because of which HDFC Bank did not give any return for this year, and 11 stocks gave 60 to 90% increase in the year 2023-24, and 5 stocks gave 100% return. If anyone have invested in all the Nifty stocks in the beginning of year 23, that is 1st April 2023, he would have gained close to there are all chances that he would have gained close to 50% in 1 year's time. So Nifty, if you look at the broader market, Nifty mid cap up by around 0.5%, and small cap traded flat today. And passenger vehicle, there is a positive news. This year passenger vehicle export has touched 6,75,000 mark. It's almost we have touched the pre-COVID level. That is where we crossed the 6,75,000 mark. ICICI Securities has got the shareholders nod, so probably it will be merged with ICICI Bank, and the delisting will happen soon. There is another news about the Bajaj Housing Finance, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bajaj Finance. There is going to be IPO planned, which has to be as per RBI rules, because of which both Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv stocks were up today. Valuation seems to be around 10 billion, but IPO may be around 1 billion for Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. That is what I heard. Chalet Hotel gains after it launches QIP for 1,200 crore. And PSU Bank traded higher today. Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda and Canada Bank all traded higher. Latent View gains 10% because Latent View acquired a company called Decision Point Analytics, because of which Latent View stocks up by around 10%. There was an analyst meet for VIP yesterday. After the analyst meet, today VIP stock rose by around 13%. Torrent Perma, probably we were talking about that for a couple of days. So it was up last couple of days, but today there was a profit booking and it's down by around 5%. So we are ending this year financial year 23-24 with a very good gain overall. So 30% increase in Nifty stock, and both mid cap and small cap also gave good amount of gain for the investors. So anyone who would have invested in most of the stocks in Nifty and the broader market would have gained heavily. So let us see, hope this trend will continue, and who are investing starting from the next financial year also will gain a lot, because overall there are three countries which they have marked. Japan, Vietnam and India are the best markets for the following year, is what the analyst prediction is all about. So whoever is investing in Indian market and Japan market and Vietnam market should gain. I am not sure about Vietnam market, but Japan market we are seeing there are interest rate changes after 17 years, moved from negative to positive, and Japan market also is trading at all-time high. Indian market is also currently trading close to all-time high. So hope things looks positive for investors. So keep watching this space. I will try to share the maximum that I can for my viewers. Wish you all a very happy weekend. Request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.